Welcome, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the night mode on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice. Here, let's tap on this edit icon next to the settings icon. Then scroll down and find the night light icon. Then press and hold on it and drag it to the list above, like this. Then tap on this arrow right here to go back. Now swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here tap on the night light icon to enable the night mode, like this. As you can see, the screen became more orangish. That means that the night mode is enabled. And to disable it, tap on the icon again. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the night light settings, and here we can tap on schedule, and we can select none, turns on at custom time, and turns on from sunset to sunrise. If you select from sunset to sunrise, it's gonna be enabled, of course, from sunset to sunrise. I believe it's determined by your Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure. And if you select turns on at custom time, you can set up the schedule for it. You can tap on start time right here and set the hour on which the schedule is gonna be enabling by pressing and holding on the green circle and dragging it around the clock face, releasing it. Then do the same for minutes, like this. Then end time, set the hour and minutes, like this. And if you turn it on, you can also change the intensity. To do it, simply swipe and left and right on this slider right here, like that. Okay, let's go back. Back to the night light settings. Do we have something else here? No. We have also the turn on button to enable it, and turn off button to disable it. Okay, and that's how you enable the night mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.